Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have completed cell medicine part of pharmacy management system project. If you have not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. In this video, we are going to work on view wheel part, and this one is our last video on pharmacy management system project. So let us start with them. Let me exit this application and let me create a new JFrame form for here. So let's click on JFrame form and view, build, and click on finish. You can see a form has been created. Now we have to increase the size of this form to 850 and 500. Then we have to put a label over here and rename it as view, build. And after that, we also need to increase the sizes to bold 36. Okay, close this, put it to the center of this page. And then we have to go to the properties, and we also need to remove this one and decode it from this JFrame. After that, here we need a button. Let me put a button over here, and here we need to set the close button, and we also need to remove the text from this button and decrease the size of this one to 30 or 29 and put it over here. After that, here we need a separator, so just place it over here. Increase the size of separator to 500. And after that, we have to put a table over here, so just place it over here. Decrease the size of this table. Let me close this one. Let me decrease the size of this one, and let me make it as 500. Okay, and let me increase the size of this table to the max of this form, and then we have to save this. After that, we have to change the layout to the absolute layout, and as well as we also need to go set background. So I'm going to put a label over here, and I'm going to go to the properties, and I'm going to select all page background, this one, place it perfectly on this JFrame form, double click it and remove the label name from this label. And after that, we have to change the table content, so click on table content and remove all the raw from here. Go to the columns, and one by one we are going to change the name. So bill ID. After bill ID, the next will be date, and after that total paid, and here we have to as generated by this one. After that, we have to click on close, and you can see our one raw we left. Leave this one also. Close this. Now you can see our form has been created. Now we have to connect this form with our pharmacist dashboard. So go to the dashboard, click on this one and scroll and double click and generate the event. And here we have to write new bill, new view bill dot set visible, and here we have to write true. And now get back to the view bills and double click on this close button. Then we have to set visible. Here we have to write false. After that, extend navigator, go to the design and generate a component show event. Set event component show event, and now we have to write the code over here. Before that, we are going to set the layout of this one. So go to the constructor of view bills. So here we write load location to null, and after that, here we have to write component. In the component show event, we have to write here default table model and model and default model jtable one dot get model. And after that, we need try catch block over here, and here we have to write exception. Here we have to G option pan to display the error, show message null, and we have to display E. And in try block, we are going to create the connection. Let me scroll this one a little bit. And connection. Okay, so we need to import over here. So import java.sql.extract and save this. And here we write connection con is equals to connection provider connection provider. This one we need to import from DAO.getCon method we need to call, and after that statement is equals to con.create statement, and result set, let's write result set rs equals to ht.execute query select star from bill semicolon while rs dot next, and here we have to write model dot add raw new object, this one, and rs dot get string, this one, and here we have to write bill id. After that rs dot get string, and here we have to write bill date, and rs dot get string total paid, and at last rs dot get string, and here we have generated rated by we have to write. Okay, let me show you a little bit, just minimize this one too, and here you can see model name, bill id, bill date, total paid generated by, and after this we have to write the code to, like, whenever any user click on this particular row, so you have to generate or like open the PDF, right? So you have to go to the mouse click event, and inside this one we need to write int index is equals to j table 1 dot get selected raw, and after that table model is equals to j table 1 dot get model, the string id model dot get values, and here we have index, and here we write 0 dot to string, and here we write open pdf. This method, this class we need to call inside this one, we have to call this method. Just save this. So our coding part is also completed. Let's log in and let's test it out. Works or we are having any issue. So user test 1 2 3, and I'm going to click on login. I'm going to click on view bills, and here you can see all the users. If I click on this one row, you can see it has been generated. Let me close this and let me generate a bill over here. So on this one, 1 unit, 12 unit, let's add. Okay, purchase and generate the bill. You can see I have fixed this one, and as well as the start, all these things. If I close this one, if I go to the view bills, you can see one more added over here, right? So it means that everything is working as expected. So this is all about pharmacy management system project. I hope you guys like this project. Please hit like and subscribe my channel for getting more project related to like this. Okay, right, thank you.